Hey everyone, it's 12:52 p.m. on Wednesday, January 20th, 2020, and right here is a Hunter Pavilion ceiling fan, white and polished brass from the second quarter of 1996. These were predominantly sold at Kmart, back when they actually had fans, let alone good ones. And I remember seeing these. I think they came out in 1995 to replace the ever popular Mayfair, which came sans light, but this one is a Coastal Breeze derivative, and it has a unique light feature on it. Before I get into that, I got this fan at Fanimation group trip spring of, what was it, almost 2 years ago. That would be in 2018, from fellow collector Pete Duffy. And Pete, thanks again for this. I really, really love this fan. I don't know how much longer I'll have it up here because it hangs kind of high up, and I need more airflow in here. But it does okay for something that mounts flush. But getting back to the switch housing right here, it's integrated, like it's integrated into it, so it connects, the light connects the motor via molex plug, and that's something that its successors have. So this is like the precursor to most hunters you see on the market today. Most spinner motor hunters, if not all of them, have that, like the non-original, the detachable switch housing, which this is detachable. And the globes are not original to the fan. They came off this other Emerson Premium I had. One broke, so left me with three. So I thought I'd use it on this one. The white and green, it really goes well here. So, yep. Two of the lights are LED, one's incandescent. And let's go around, let's have a look at the reverse switch. Right. I had to reverse it. Right there. And while we're at it, let's look at the blades. We'll do this one here, it's a little easier. It's white, and the other side is white. And let's look at the vent pattern. Now, my mom has one in her bedroom that's polished brass, and it's a little bit newer. It has like the wider vents on it. These are the more thinner capsule shaped vents, which I prefer. And you have a better look at the sideband from here if I stand here and zoom in on it. It's the canopy, it's the installer's choice, and it can be mounted with down rod, but I chose to leave it as is. So let's shed some light in the situation. There. The light's a little inconsistent, I apologize for that, but it's kind of like I just had to improvise, for what I had. I mean, it goes well with the room and the blue walls and the white, and it doesn't really get lost on the ceiling. I mean, it does somewhat, given the fact that it's a white ceiling, but hey, I think it gives good contrast with the dark blue walls, and it matches the crown molding really well. But anyways, I think I'll leave the light intact, but let's rev it up first on low. Okay, medium. Starting to feel some air, but not a heck of a lot. I mean, like I said, given the fact that it's flush mounted on a rather high ceiling. I think they're like 8 feet, I can want to say. Maybe more than that. But let's bump it up to high, shall we? Yeah, it's moving pretty good air on high. That's well balanced too. But I've noticed that, most flush mount hunters they don't really wobble as much as do ones on down rods. Somebody probably can clue me in on that, but it's cranking out decent air, just like a 90s hunter should. Like I said, I do. But I think we'll power it down now. Yeah, I might put up one of my white hunter infinities here. And it's on down rod, so it'll probably look even better here, given that it's all white. I mean, even though there is some polished brass accenting on the door handles here, but but still, I think I know a place where I can get like blue light globes that are the same material as the ones on this fan that are very, very similar to that. I mean, I might pay a hefty price for them, but I think it'll be well worth it, given the fact they'll eventually go here. But anyway. Okay, folks, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.